siguro magandang gawin natin ay i-amend natin yun kung meron man resolusyon to include the provision, to include compliance with the tropical fabric law para ang suot ay lahat Philippine-made ayon sa ating mga indigenous fabrics. Hindi ba maganda? Gawin natin Philippine culture, Philippine-made, gawa sa akma sa kultura ng ating mga katutubo, which I've been doing all these years. Hindi ko alam kung sang-ayon lang lahat ng tao doon. Hindi ka kailangan gumastos ng malaki o hindi kailangan gumastos at all para maging attractive, para maging maganda. You can make a statement by wearing something authentic, something old, something meaningful, something relevant. I call it, it's my fashionalism. Fashion and nationalism. Kaya kung meron man resolusyon si Senator Santiago, maybe I will join her para ang ating magiging thrust ay fashionalism.
Okay talaga yan, dahil at least we can support our own. Pero kung hindi uniform rin lang, mag-iisip ka rin paano mo gagamitin yung indigenous fabric. So para sa akin, syempre, mas naniniwala ako sa kalayaan na pumili, lalong-lalo na isang tradisyon ng SONA. Pero kung gagawin uniform at ang gagamitin ay isang traditional fabric pero uniform, hindi ka na mag-worry kung anong susuotin mo. I don't think there's a need to regulate. It's I guess it's the one time the year that you can really dress up the way you want in a traditional manner. But again, it doesn't take away anything from me if it happens.